Hi everyone, this is a quick video just to show where you can access the Alana Collis documents and folders. So you go to your regular email in your Outlook and then you scroll down to groups. So keep going until you see groups. So you can see here, and then if you go scroll down and click on more groups will open up, all the groups that you've been part of. So go down until you see Factal Advisory Board. Click on that, and that will take you to the Factal Advisory Board, OneDrive group, whatever you want to call it. And if you click on this little thing, which is files and folders, so if you click on that, it'll open up, and these are the folders that are loaded there, and you can click on Alana Collis 2021 and you will see the 5 application packets there. So you can click on each one. They're all PDF documents. You can read them. So this is the easiest and quick way of accessing